It's a sunny day today, but it feels like 0 degrees. But the sun is shining out. You know, I wanted to show you the new Pilot 2026. The new vehicle says a refresh with the wheels, new alloy wheels. Also, the new front grille is different from the old 2025. Also, the interior looks different too. I'm going to show a little bit, and we can walk inside. Today it's a little bit cold. But we're from Wisconsin, I guess we can tolerate the cold a little bit, you know. It's real, we're outside. It says 0 degrees, but it's not really 0 degrees. Like, feels like 0 degrees today. It's like 21 degrees, not 21 degrees, it's cold. Let me show you inside here what's different with the Pilot 2026 with brown leather. Also the sway, that's the difference, what's new in here. Little sway on the side. Also, we have the bigger screen like the Passport with Google Play. The bigger screen. I'm gonna start it up for you quick so you can see the inside of the vehicle. Come on over here. So that's the inside of the vehicle. So you have the bigger screen in there. That's what's new with the Elite Pilot. So you have the same feature, except you're gonna have the bigger screen with Google Maps. Somebody wants brown leather with this part in here, new design. Some new touches on the vehicle with the brown leather. Also, you have sway in the back here. It's nice and soft. Also from the back, I show you. Also the back over here. It's a sunny day today, but it feels like sway. Who wouldn't want some sway on a new Pilot? All right, we can walk in the service department in a minute, okay? So we'll see you in a bit. So here's the service department. Now it's cold outside, so I figure we come inside here. We see all the action. So we have the express lane, service department. See all the vehicles. You have other mix and models. Except from the new cars, we have the, I don't know, Tesla. And we have our service department with all our technicians. Big service department. So I figure like when you need to bring the car for maintenance or service, we have everything, big space. So long everyone, we are going to stay warm. See you next Wednesday.